Hello friends and welcome back to the Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about darkFlash DY470 ATX tower case. So friends, the darkFlash has announced the DY470 is a nothing short a masterpiece when it comes to design, drawing inspiration from the fact of a finely cut diamond. The PC case boasts an exterior that reflects both luxury and elegance, and striking visual appeal is further amplified by the three transparent glass panel providing a 330-degree panoramic view of the PC interior. And for PC builder and gamers alike, the DY470 offers the chance to turn into a visual centerpiece. And one of the biggest advantages of the glass PC case is ability to showcase intricate internal setup, RGB lighting, and precise cable management in the DY470, making it easy for users to display their components and lighting arrangement and creating an impressive gaming environment. And the glass not only enhances the overall aesthetics but is also highly durable, offering scratch resistance and maintaining clarity for you to come. And whether you choose the black and sleek white version, and the DY470 provide a visually stunning option to complement any gaming setup. And the black model bring a modern powerful presence, while the white version offer a clean and minimalistic aesthetic, perfect for those seeking a more refined look. Okay. And the case is supporting up to 360 mm radiator or 10 120 mm fans, giving user complete control over their cooling setup. Whether you are building a high performance gaming rig or a workstation, the case is engineered to handle intensive load without sacrificing thermal performance and the extensive cooling capacity, making the case is ideal choice for gamers looking to push their system to its limit without compromising on temperature control. And the connectivity ports including USB 3.2 Generation 2 Type-C port, delivering faster data transfer speed and modern connectivity for external devices, ensuring that this case is future-proof and versatile. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.